Hello guys, Binko is here, and today we're going to destroy this phone. So let's destroy it. First, we're going to do the scratch test. Okay, so let's go down and scratch. That's some scratches. Oh yeah, that's the scratch. Oh, that's very good. Look. See that? That's the scratch. And then there is another scratch right there. See? And then let's do the bottom. And then the last one, the other one. Ooh, okay, that's good. Now let's do the durability test. Next, we're going to drop test this phone. So we're here now. Let's go ahead and drop this phone. Let's go down and see what happened. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's do the back face. Let's do the back. Okay, so the next one is the back. And 3, 2, 1. See the back? Not too bad. Actually, let's do the front. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, it landed on this back. It landed on this back. I can see some a little of the scratch. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. It hit on the side actually. Oh, this one is already popping out, so we can. Okay, so let's do this one again because that was a fail. Okay, 3, 2, 1. See if it cracked. Not too bad, actually. Not too bad. Ooh, this one, the case already almost popped off. Okay, so, and again, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Here is this one. This one already popped off. Okay, so here's the phone. Oh, man. The next thing, we're going to make this phone run over by a car. The car is right over here. I'm going to drive the car myself. We're going to make the phone run over by a car. Let's see, the screen will crack. Here we go. Okay, so the phone didn't actually crack. Look. Oh no. We should clean this. After we make a video, we should clean this. We're going to throw this away there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. we're going to put this one in the trash bin. Now here's the trash bin, and then let's get this open. Oh, goodbye! Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Bye-bye!